Oh, hi, Soft Monkey. I wasn't expecting to see you at the bar. I mean, aren't you, like, looking after the kids?
Ah, they're fine. I left them at Chloe's place, or at least in Chloe's general vicinity. I mean, I gotta blow off steam sometimes.
Okay then.
Hey, by the way, you know what I've been thinking about a lot?
What? No, you do not want to settle down.
No, that's not what I meant at all. I'm just talking about, like, you know, shoes to cover up these giant feet I have. Just imagining that right now. I feel so strong and powerful with these on.
Excuse me, can you move? You're stepping on my foot.
No.
Man, Donos, you're crazy. I'm the drunk one here.
Yeah, you're probably right.